The Provincial Management Service, known as PMS, is one of Pakistan's most competitive and powerful provincial examinations. Conducted by Provincial Public Service Commissions, PMS officers from the backbone of provincial administration. PMS officers serve as assistant commissioners, deputy commissioners, and directors across key departments, managing law and order, developmental projects, and public services. The competition is fierce. Thousands apply, but only a limited numbers make it to the written exams, interviews, and final merit list. A PMS career offers strong authority, respect, and rapidly growing financial benefit. Unlike federal services, PMS allows officers to deeply influence local governance and directly impact people's lives at the grassroots level. PMS is not just a career, it is a position of responsibility, leadership, and a lasting influence. This examination proves one thing: powerful careers are built by those willing to compete where few succeed.